you know the story behind Dirty Laundry Winery in British Columbia, then you know that the name Bordello makes sense. If you have no idea what I'm talking about, go look it up. I'll wait for you. No, I won't. But I'll remind you at the end. How about that? Let's do it that way. Today we are looking at the Dirty Laundry 2017 Bordello. It is a big boy blend of Malbec, Cabernet Sauvignon, Merlot, and Cabernet Franc, taken from vineyards in the Osoyoos and Similkameen Valley. Spans 24 months in a mix of French and American oak, of which 30% is new. Now, here's why I was in total enthrallment, if that is a word, about this wine. The layers of flavor is incredible. The layers of flavor are incredible. Today we are also having a grammar lesson. On the nose we have Cerise, black cherry, and vanilla. The palate is quite a different story. Here we have smoky, leather, earthy notes followed by blueberry, tobacco, and some real intense tans. This one's just a baby, folks. It needs time to meld together. I would say it needs a good 3 years before it's really at a point where you want to drink it. The finish at the moment is leather, cigar box, and smoke, but that fruit is there, folks. You can smell it on the nose, and it's going to be there on the palate. Drink this one 2023 to 2030, and maybe even a bit beyond. That's the Dirty Laundry 2017 Bordello. Go look it up. And I give this wine 4+ stars out of 5. I'm Michael Pinkus, the Grape Guy, for MichaelPinkusWineReview.com. Join me again next week and we'll look at another great bottle of wine.
You've been watching The Wine Review with the Grape Guy, Michael Pinkus. Don't miss a single video. Subscribe today by clicking the icon at the bottom right-hand corner of this video. To find out more about MichaelPinkusWineReview.com, visit the website, and while there, sign up for the bi-weekly newsletter to get all the latest views, reviews, video links, podcast updates, and so much more. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll see you next week.